Peppers, kalifornialaisbändi, joka myöskin osasi omalla tavallaan suhtautua kotikulmiinsa tietynlaisella kriittisyydellä. Suosikkibiiseihin liittyy usein hyviä tarinoita ja perusteluja laulujen kertomista tarinoista. Red Hot Chili Peppersin Flynn mukaan bändin hittibiisi Californication on tietynlainen hätähuuto persoonallisen taiteen puolesta. Bändin mielestä kun valtaosa viihdeteollisuuden puristamasta tuotteesta on heidän mielestään samaan muottiin tunnettua sontaa.
But what that song means to me is it's really what California does to the rest of the world, in particular what the entertainment industry does to the rest of the world. When I think about that, mostly I think about the media and how immensely it influences, other cultures. And the thing, to me, it's like 99% evil, 99% of it robs people of their individuality and their creativity, and it stops people from searching and looking for their own type of beauty and art. You know what I mean? It's like, even it's changed since I was a kid. Like when we were kids, you get excited about a record you hear, and you call up your friend, did you hear the new Captain Beefheart record? You gotta hear this, it's so weird. And then you try to find records of the same guys that played on it and all this stuff, and it's just like excitement, and that's how movements start. That's how different pockets of culture and creativity start. And now it's everyone's hearing the same shit. Everyone's getting the same thing forced down their throat, and the search is stunted. I find that's the world being fucked by the media.